for Yang style, short form 12. It's a big, long, weird name, right? It's beginner's Tai Chi, the first 12 postures. And so we're going to just do a little bit of warm up and then we'll get into the sequence. If you're not familiar with this, follow along. And then, in the follow-up email, let me know, hey, I'm interested in the next time we do beginner's Tai Chi. You're welcome. Thank you, Louise. So from here, feet a little bit apart, and we're just going to shake, do the shaking going. Again, we're kind of bringing a little bit of energy back into our body after being seated a little bit, bringing some little life to the back side, yeah? And turn side to side, turning from the quads, we call it. Again, I like to provide this run through at the end of this class, whether it's the gentle yoga for back care or the chair Tai Chi for my folks that took that 6 weeks class or just want to practice along a little bit more. And then take it up sky high. And then turn side to side. And then wrists down. And then palms up. And I'm bending the knees also. So let's do the opposite arm swings. Again, soft bend in the knees. As you are doing that, I'm going to bring the camera down just a little bit. Keep that going. That way we can get a little bit more foot real estate going on when we do the yang. Okay, keep going. And then take it out to the side and across. A little torso twist here too. We do a lot of twisting in the beginner's Tai Chi standing form. And then come back to the center. Let's go ahead and spin the wrists just to get that going. And then reverse. All right, so I'm going to turn around. So you'll be following me. I'll be saying the left and the right. It'll be your left and your right. And I'm going to check to see. I'm in the camera. I'm going to come a little bit more back towards the front of the room. So I'm starting in eagle stance where we have the feet out at somewhat 45-degree angle. And again, if you need to have them a little bit apart for comfort, please do so. Again, make it comfortable. I'm going to shake my body a little bit. Feel firm into the floor. A little soft bend in the knees. And then we inhale, raise it up a little bit. We don't have much to raise here. And then we're going to exhale, bend the knees. And we'll do that again. Inhale, rise. And then exhale, lower. Shift your weight over into the left side. Take that right foot out. Heel, ball, toe. Shift your weight over to the right side. Turn that left foot in. Turn that right foot in, shift it over, and then go back to the center. And we'll do center and sink. Now the knees are bent. So inhale up to hip level with the arms like you're floating in water. Exhale, draw it back, bend those knees. Next is upward, downward, up to the shoulders. Here we go. Up, draw it out and down. We're going to shift the weight over to that left side. Turn that right foot up, right hand on top, left hand underneath to form that Tai Chi ball. Shift the weight into the right side with that left foot, the first bow and arrow. Step it forward, heel, ball, toe. That weight's in that right side though. And then we're going to shift the weight to the front or to the left foot and turn the Tai Chi ball. Hips turn also. Then shift to the right leg. Lift the left foot, turn it parallel to the right. Shift over to the left. Here comes the second bow and arrow. Now I turn the foot out and step out. Heel, ball, toe. And now I'm going to shift towards the right foot and split the ball or ward off. Hand in front of your chest, hand by your hip. Then roll your weight back, roll your arm back. This is called roll back. And then push hands. And then hands back towards your chest. And here's where we're going to turn after this next one. Push forward. And then as you draw it back, lift your toe. Turn your right foot to where it's pointing straight. You're making a circle with your hands, your hips, and you're drawing that circle. Once it gets to about shoulder level, your weight is shifting to that right foot. Take that left foot, toe, ball, heel, bring it back to the center and down. Next is inward, outward. You're forming this ball underneath your dantian. Inward, up, breathe in. Exhaling out. Shift over to the right side, turn that left foot. Step it in. Bent knees are bent. So inhale up. Exhale down. Shift your weight into that right side. Step your left foot out. Toe, ball, heel. Shift your weight over to the left side. Turn that right foot. Shift your weight over to the right side, turn the left foot, come back to the center. Next is center and sink. Inhaling halfway up, exhaling lower. Upward, downward, up to the shoulders. Inhaling up, up, up. Exhale down. Shift your weight into the right foot, turn that left foot up, left hand on top, right hand underneath, forming that Tai Chi ball. Shift to the left side. First bow and arrow. Take that right foot, step it forward, toe ball heel. Shift your weight to the right side, turn the Tai Chi ball, turn the hip, and then shift your weight to the left foot, turn that right foot parallel, shift your weight to the right side. From here, second bow and arrow, turn the foot out, step it forward, toe ball heel, and then split your ball. Ward off is what this is called. Hand, elbow up, and then hand by your hip. Inhale, shift back. Exhale, push into the hand. Inhaling back, and one more. Inhaling, exhaling, push forward. Inhale, lift the foot, turn the whole body from the quad to the front, the new front of the room, and then weight goes to the back leg, and then hands go up, toe ball heel, come back to the center, and do that inward, outward. So inward, up, outward. Shift your weight into the left side, turn that right foot, step that left foot in, and now it's finishing breath. Inhale, circle, sweep arms up, and bring it down the heart center. Let's make that fist, that's the sun, that flat left palm, that's the moon, and bow down to one another. This concludes our short practice of our Yang style short form beginner's Tai Chi. I'll see you next week. It is gentle